Shoot.
Oh god, no.
How do you paint? Can you not? What do you mean it's buried too much?
Wait, why is there letters here now?
How do you paint? Wait. How do you paint? Wait. Oh, there we go.
Your camera.
Yeah, how do you rotate?
Middle click.
Middle click. Ah! Okay. Am I glowing on other people too? Wait, is this good?
Was
I
glowing?
glowing?
With something, you glow red.
Oh, so it glows on other people's screens too?
When you're...
Oh,
Yes, yeah.
damn it.
Oh.
I really like this one. I really like this one.
Muted?
Free cam. Oh. Not letting me pick the right color.
Honestly, it looks nice in a way.
I mean,
yeah. You are
Could just
so
be furniture.
sus.
Why am I moving? I'm not.
Too bright.
Don't move. Why am I shivering like that?
Might be a
Why am I vibrating?
That's not the color. Don't stop vibrating.
Why?
Stop vibrating.
I don't know why I'm vibrating. Damn it! Really? I thought it was a good hiding spot.
At least make yourself the color of the dirt.
I'm trying. Wait. No.
She's so shiny.
Oh no. Oh.
Blood.
What does this say? Yo, ominous. Ominous. Oh, is that blood on your hands?
Yes.
Metallic blood on your hands?
Blood.
It's the iron
Blood
in the
of our
blood.
friends.
But it's kind of hard, actually. If we ever do this... Why is there someone standing still over there? What the hell, Crody? Maybe I can paint myself.
Oh, that's some really nice brickwork, IRyS.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Hey.
Okay, I'm
Sound
switching.
whistle. Press 1. Spam whistle.
Now?
Now?
Yeah. Do
Okay.
it. Spam.
Wow.
Yeah, such good spirit. That works. Okay, I'm ready to make friends. Make friends and infect everybody. Okay.
Hello, I am your tour guide.
Huh? Oh, what happened?
Welcome to Osaka.
Oh, what? Oh, yes, it's Osaka.
Hello,
Is there anything?
Yes, this is Osaka.
Why?
I'm your tour guide. Welcome, konnichiwa, as they say in Osaka.
Konnichiwa. Oh,
genki desu ka?
I've never been to Osaka
Welcome.
before. Oh, genki,
Oh, yes, I'll show
genki.
you around, yes.
Okay, show me.
Welcome to Osaka. It's often called Japan's kitchen. Did you know that? If you're hungry, you're in the right place.
Oh, really?
Don't mind me
Oh.
walking a little bit
I
backwards.
kind of want to eat some takoyaki. I see some
Yes,
octopus.
well, good for you. It's famous for its takoyaki, you know? You look very good, ma'am. So...
I did my best, yes. Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
yeah.
Oh. Okay. I found somebody.
Ah, well done.
Oh.
This is distracting me.
Welcome to Osaka.
Welcome to us. Someone not hanging their
hello, I'm
clothes.
your tour guide.
I get
Of course,
it.
Bibu kills the
I
tour guide.
understand. I understood.
She did not
Bibu.
understand the assignment.